Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on profit in equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a tiny microcap where Porinju Veliyath's Equity Intelligence India has silently accumulated 99,150 shares as per the last annual report. His stake, as per the document, stands at 0.45%, and it being below 1% does not appear on the shareholding pattern. Also, this is not our own research. This research was done by Meet, and we'll be providing the link to his Twitter handle in the description section. Please follow him for more such insights. The tweet highlighting this information will also be present in the description section. Besides, friends, if you think that this content is beneficial, please don't forget to share these videos. This helps the channel grow and us to produce more better content for you in the future. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Umang Dairies Limited, which is available at Rs 52.20 and the face value for it is 5. The symbol for it is UMANGDAIRY. Now Umang Dairies Limited is engaged in the business of dairy products, and the company's principal products and services include ghee and milk powder. The company's brands include White Magic, Dairy Top and Milk Star. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, the company has not really done much and has been an underperformer throughout the entire year. The company is a microcap with a market capitalization of 114.86 crores. The EPS of 4.18 translates into a very cheap price to earnings ratio of 12.49 when compared with the industry PE of 69.39. The price to book ratio of 2.17 is also not wildly expensive. The company has a debt to equity of 0.7356, whereas the return on equity for this stock is 0.2234. The promoter holding is also a very strong factor for this stock and stands at 74.61%. And the other positive factor is that none of the promoters holding is pledged. Now, having seen the data points, a word of caution: this information was from the last annual report and quite some time has elapsed since this came out. So please exercise caution while going ahead and jumping into this stock. Also, friends, please don't treat this as a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so.